Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it. And that's because we are focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. And here's what one customer had to say in our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today and find out how we earn great reviews like this one from one of our happy customers. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone is raving about.